Most people use coconut milk completely wrong. The first mistake, boiling it too hard. High heat breaks the texture and separates the natural oils. That's why some curries look oily instead of creamy. The second mistake, adding thick coconut milk too early. In many Sri Lankan kitchens, thick coconut milk is added near the end of cooking to protect the flavor and texture. Third mistake, using watery coconut milk. Good coconut curry should feel rich, smooth, and naturally comforting. Fourth mistake, burning the spices before adding coconut milk. Burnt spices create bitterness that ruins the balance of the curry. And the fifth mistake, adding cold coconut milk directly into very hot curry. Traditional cooking uses gentle heat, never aggressive heat, because coconut milk was never treated like just another ingredient. In Sri Lankan kitchens, it was part of the ritual itself. The aroma, the steam, the slow cooking, everything mattered. Which of these mistakes have you made before?